Oh, hello people. Today I wanted to show you how to fix one errors when you use the latest compilation of OpenToonz. Because I have latest compilation, but you have to pay attention on when you download the latest build. Oh, we can see download the nightly build for Windows. I will check how fast the internet is, and there's one option that you can fix, because they didn't mention that, and I know how to fix that error. When you install nightly build compilation, oh, you also have this message, so you have to unblock file. I must go to the gym in a minute. I wish I could have more time to publish video tutorial. Oh, you can still fix that error. But you have to go to location of program, and you have to go to that folder. And we will have to rename this file. I will copy just in case, because I need to publish video tutorial. Because I don't think that this file is significant, because after when I rename that file, you can still use the program and you don't lose any functionality. Okay, I will call this .old. So you have different extension, but don't worry. Don't worry, because you will be able to run a program without problems. Without any problems. I can still work with my animation when I press button B. I haven't chosen a custom brush. You can still save a project. You can even use tools, control space. You can rotate canvas. D is for drawing sketches. You can use templates, multiple templates. You can see what you drew before and what you will draw in the future. Not only template, but you can also use onion skin at the same time. Template can be useful. You can still use template even if you go beyond the current frame and forward. Okay, the next thing is you can also, in references, you can also activate in import export option. This will allow you to render animation much faster, especially if you have that type of processor like me. Oh, my graphics card is quite high usage now because I'm using Open Broadcaster software. But you have to have FMVG on your hard drive to be able to render to one of the formats like WebM. But make sure you add the color card. Very important. FX editor. So you have to set the white color. For example, like this. Now, new FX, and you have to add the background color card. By default, it has green color. And I hope you like my video tutorial. You can still download the latest compilation of OpenToonz from 2024. This is from May 5th, 2024, people. And I'm using raster level, because raster level supports my bank library brushes, people. And have a nice day, people.